Hey sis, so today I'm going to show you how to do an easy cheesy bean dip, which is awesome. It should only take just a few minutes, and you can have it with parties, anything you want to do. So let's get started. So first you want to start with your black beans, or any bean that you want, it doesn't matter which one it is. Open that up real fast. Probably with a good can opener. Go. I tend to just drain off a little bit from of the juices from the top, just so that it's not too wet, because it can be a little gross. So typically just the top part of the see with it. So we're going to dump that into the bowl. Then we're going to take a little bit of cheese. It depends on what kind of cheese you like. Mild cheese will just kind of make it feel cheesy. Sharp cheddar will make it really, really tasty. This is actually what they call fancy shredded Mexican style. Just a blend of different cheeses. So I put that in there. This one has sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, Asadero, and Queso Blanco cheeses. All of these are good melting cheeses. You also want to make sure that you get a good melting cheese. So then add yourself some salt, just a little bit. Remember that anything canned has a lot of salt in it anyway, so you just want to add a little bit or to taste until you're good with that. A little bit of pepper for flavoring. So this is the fun part about the bean dip. You can kind of add anything that you want to it. You can put jalapenos in it. You can do diced onions. You can put other flavors in there like cumin, garlic. You can add all kinds of stuff into it. So it's really, really simple. But I always try to put all that stuff in first, give it a good mix till it's kind of mixed together. Just like that. So you see how it's kind of mixed up like that. Like that. And we're going to put it in the microwave for about a minute and a half just to see how. So this just came out of the microwave. You can kind of see it's pretty melted there. So what I'm going to do is mix it up really good. So you want to mix it up until there is no more cheese. You can't see the cheese at all anymore. It'll start to lighten up in color a little bit too. We actually do this for everything. When we do our Mexican food night, or anytime we make beans, we always put cheese in it. The key is to really get it hot and get it melted. So, yeah, starting to look really good. Sometimes, just for dinner, I come home and this is all I have: chips and beans. Do I act like a single guy with no prospects of a husband? Yep. That's alright. So, you can see the difference. See, it's nice and cheesy. And then I just take my favorite chips, give a little dip, and voila. So good. So, it's super cheap, really easy to make, fun for any kind of parties that you're having. You can do it by yourself. If you're not hosting anybody, you're not doing anything else, just make yourself a bowl of beans and cheese. Sometimes I will use them on my nachos, and I will show you how to make nachos later on. So there you go, sweetie. Enjoy, and I hope that you like that. Bye.